In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize notes in FigJam. FigJam is a flexible whiteboard inside Figma that makes it easy to capture ideas, organize research, and structure your thoughts visually. We'll keep things straightforward, starting from the Figma website and moving into a template that's designed for notes, so you don't have to build from scratch. First, open your browser and head to figma.com, then log into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the Figma home screen. From here, you can open FigJam directly or pick up where you left off by selecting a recent FigJam board. If you're continuing a previous session, a recent file is perfect. If you want a clean space, choose FigJam to start fresh with a new board. Inside your FigJam board, look for the Templates option. This opens a gallery of ready-made layouts that can save time and help you stay organized. If you don't want to build your layout from scratch, use the search bar and type notes. This will filter the gallery to show note-focused templates like meeting notes, study notes, or general note-taking layouts. Each template is designed to guide your thinking with helpful sections and prompts already in place. Hover over the template that fits your needs and click Add Template. This drops the layout onto your board instantly. You can reposition it by dragging, and you can scale it up or down if you want more space. Now it's time to edit it and make it yours. Click any placeholder text to rewrite headings and details. Replace generic labels with your topics, dates, or categories. Use sticky notes to capture quick thoughts and color code them to separate ideas, priorities, or owners. You can group related items by dragging them together or using simple shapes to create sections like To Do, In Progress, and Done. If the template includes checklists, update them with your own tasks, and if it includes sections like agenda or action items, fill those in with clear, concise points. Keep your layout clean and readable. Spread content out so nothing feels cramped, and zoom out occasionally to check the overall structure. If you're collaborating, leave space for others to add notes, and consider using consistent colors or tags so everyone understands the system at a glance. FigJam saves as you work, so you can add and refine notes over time without worrying about losing progress. That's it. Log in at figma.com, open FigJam or a recent board, go to Templates, search for notes, add a template, and edit it to fit your workflow. With a solid structure in place, your notes will stay organized and easy to find whenever you need them.